Hey folks, how are you? We, the Tibetan people who live outside of Tibet, practice freedom, democracy, human rights with all the people across the world. But inside Tibet, there is no freedom. There is oppression. There is suffering. There is a killing by the Chinese Communist rule, CCP. They are ruthless. And Tibetan people today cannot travel across the world. And the Tibetan people who are living outside cannot travel to their own country in Tibet. Why? Because the Chinese nastiness and oppression and a nasty rule stops Tibetans traveling. And so we want freedom in Tibet. Tibetan people want freedom in Tibet, democracy in Tibet, open expression in Tibet, freedom of travel in Tibet. They don't exist. Chinese communists control everything in Tibet. That is oppression. That is oppression. World must understand Tibet was never part of China. The European politicians, world politicians, stopped pleasing China and saying Tibet was and is part of China. Tibet was never and is never part of China. It is under occupation. Tibetan freedom is under occupation. Human rights is under occupation, under suppression. So the world must understand the facts and the reality and rise up, tell the truth. Tell the truth. European politicians, the world politicians, try not to please the Chinese just because you want a bit more favor. African leaders, stop lying. Stop pleasing China. Please.